Oh, hi. David Agatha. David Agatha. David Agatha. David Agatha.
Drake,
Yes,
now
sir.
stop बेटा.
Okay.
मैं मर्ज करा के पैसा तो एक जगह करवा देता हूँ एक का लेता हूँ
Sir,
Okay.
वो डेट याद थी
Yeah, good morning to all.
good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, good morning.
So why did you change your profile picture, sir? Your
Because I am bored with that picture.
like
Okay.
what is that picture? What is that picture about?
Good morning, sir.
What?
Good morning.
What happened, Ira?
No, I said good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning, good morning. Good
Like,
morning, Miracle. Good morning to all.
so like
Yes.
what? Like what? Like what is
What?
that profile? What is that new profile picture about? Showing like you like sitting with you sitting.
Yeah, I'm sitting with Sayya.
Her? She's so annoying.
What happened, Agatha?
My little sister Johanna is throwing toys at me.
What what happened?
She's throwing toys.
Okay, so today we will learn about right circular cone. Right circular cone means the height is 90 degree with the radius. Now this is basically equals to cone. So we will learn about right circular cone. Okay. So in this right circular cone, we have this is called as radius and this is called as height. Okay. This is called as radius and this is called as height. So first of all, we will learn about CSA. What is the full form for CSA?
Curved surface area.
Yeah, curved
Surface area. And TSA.
surface area, which is equals to pi r l. Okay. Now basically pi is equals to 22 by 7 or 3.14. R is the radius. Okay. Now L is also called as slant height. Slant height. Now, what is the meaning of slant height? Slant height is basically this thing. Okay. Slant height is basically this thing. Are you with me, guys?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Are we live or not?
Yes.
I guess we are live. Okay. So this is called as slant height, which is L. Okay. Now, basically, this is the formula. Now, how to find the value of L? The value of L is equals to L is equals to root of h square plus r square. This is how you will find the L. Okay.
Because it is a Pythagoras theorem, no? So
Yes, it's a Pythagoras theorem to find the L. Okay. Now the second thing, TSA. TSA, which is also called as total surface area. Total surface area, which is also called as TSA, which is equals to pi RL, which is the CSA, plus the base area also, which is pi r square. Did you understand, guys?
pi r?
Like I told you, pi r square. Why? Because the base area will also added into this CSA. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now base is circle, so circle area is pi r square.
And sir,
Everyone got it?
and sir, there is pi r into L plus R. That is Pi.
Yeah, and the final formula will be when you will take out pi as a common,
Pi
so
R.
pi and
Pi
r will as a common, so it will become L plus R. This is the TSM.
Pi R.
And if I will talk about volume, so volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now, what does this mean? Everyone, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Now, for example, if I will take a cylinder, if I will take cylinder whose height is this and whose radius is r, and inside this, if I will put a cone of the same height and same radius like this, so from this we got that the cone having the same height and the same radius is 1/3 of it. 1/3 the volume of a cylinder means volume of cone is 1 by 3 of volume of cylinder if it has same radius and same height. The terms and condition is it should has same radius, it should has same radius and same height. If it is this, then they will be 1/3 of it. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now write it down quickly. Then we'll do some questions based on this. Are you getting this, guys? If you're not getting this, please ask me.
Sir, so the volume of the cylinder will be like 1 by 3 pi r square h,
H.
and volume, yeah. So volume of cylinder will be that, huh?
Yeah. Why it is so? Because if they have same radius and same height, then they both have this relationship.
Now volume is equal to pi r square h.
1 by 3 of pi r square h. 1 by 3 of pi r square h.
Volume of cone done.
Done? Shall I raise this now?
But sir, how come it's 1/3 of the cylinder? But you draw the
No,
diagram
sir.
like R and H like that. Then how you put a triangle on the cylinder, sir?
No, basically it's a relationship. It's a relationship between the cylinder and the cone, that they have, if they have same radius and same height, okay, so the volume of cone will only cover 1/3 of the cylinder. So like this is uncovered part, no? So this is basically its 2/3. The part which is uncovered by the cone, this is basically the 2/3 part, because 1/3 is covered by the cone and this 2/3 is uncovered.
Oh, got it. Like because 1/3 is covered by the cone, but 2/3 are not. So it's only 1/3 to volume of the cylinder.
Yes, if they have same radius and same height, that is the condition.
Same radius and same height, both.
Okay, so now we'll do some question. Okay, so
Wait.
This is the question, guys. I saw Jehovan.
So that was Joshua.
Ah,
Oh,
where?
that is Joshua.
अरे यार.
Okay. So now, first of all, we have to find it out volume. So volume is basically 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So 1 by 3 pi value is 22 by 7 and r is 20 square into h is 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 3. So it will become 22 into 20 into 20, which will become 400 into 2 into 11, which will become 4400 into 2, which will become 8800 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Got it, guys? David? No. Ask me if you didn't understand.
I got it.
Got it? Now, if I will talk about CSA, now because CSA formula is, what is the formula for CSA?
IRL.
Pi r L. So first we have to calculate the value of L. Now L is basically equals to root of h square plus r square. So h is basically 21 and r is basically 20. I have to put the value of it. It will become 21 square plus 20 square. So L will become, what is 21 square? 21 square is
441.
441 plus 400. So it will become around 841, and the value of 841, like if I will multiply 29 into 29, 1 8 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 8, 26, and if I will multiply it again, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 and 5, so it will become 841. So it means that it is a square of 29. So I can write 29 multiplied by 29. So L, okay, so the L will be 29. Now I have to put the value of L in this. question. Okay, so pi is 22 by 7. R radius is 20. L is 29. So 20 2 is a 440 into 29 by 7. You have to solve it and write the final answer. And for the TSA, it is pi RL plus pi R square. So pi, what is R? R is radius, which is like I can take out common. Pi into R, and it will become L plus R. So the pi is 22 by 7. R radius is 20, and L is 29 plus 20. So 22 by 7 into 20 into 49. This and this will cut. So it will become around 22 by 7 into, sorry, not 7. 7 is cut, no? So 22 into 140. So now you will get answer around 15040 into 2, 083080 centimeters. This is the answer. Everyone got it? Yes or no? Who didn't understand? Ask me. Miracle, you got it, beta?
Yeah, sir.
Turn on the camera, please.
Wait, sir.
If you didn't understand, ask me, beta. Now, guys, every time remember this, that you have to make diagram also. And Edric, why you
Yeah.
say it? Why you left the construction question, beta?
Because I didn't know that perimeter, how, with just a perimeter, how do you make a full triangle?
I told you to make a crab diagram. We learned about crab diagram.
What is Krebs diagram?
That it look like a crab.
Like this all is this.
Yeah, the like the perimeter. If it is there, then we have to make a single line of it. Then the angle which is given, we will have to take half. Then perpendicular bisector and all.
I thought
And in graph, you have to write the value. You are not writing value. Where is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
scale. Scale.
No, even the scale is missing as well as the value like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on x-axis. Then on minus x-axis is minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write that value now. Check
sir,
Agatha's graph.
Sir, basically, the graph and diagram are taking too much time for me, and I'm not able to like do it like so. The graph and diagram, especially, those are the points only that I lost the marks. Only graph and
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
wait, sir, I am doing.
So how much time you took to complete it? Yes, Agatha.
I don't understand how about one question. From the
Yeah.
exam, there was one question, and you said that question was wrong. But when I looked at Edric's and mine, I felt like Edric and I used two different ways.
Yeah. Which question?
Let me have see. It's from the exam, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what was the question again?
She's finding.
Yeah, I think it's somewhere like in the 28 question, second one.
In the 28 question. What is the question? Can you read this?
Okay, it is 7x plus 2y equals 1, 3x plus 4y equals 15. No, yeah.
3x plus 4y is equals to 15. Yeah.
I took the x from the first equation and then 1 minus 2y by 7.
X is equals to 1 minus 2y by 7. Yes.
And then I substitute that to the second equation.
Hmm. Then
That equals 15. Yeah, 15. And then I multiply 3 times 1 and 2. So it became 3 minus 6y.
yeah. So you took substitution method.
Yeah,
You.
but I think
Hmm.
you gave it wrong or right. It's not clear here.
You may did some mistake because when you will multiply it, it will become 3 minus 6y upon 7 plus 4y is equals to 15. I guess you write only 2y there. That's why I made wrong.
What do you mean by 2y?
Basic. What you wrote? You wrote like this only 3 minus 6y.
Yeah, and then the next step, I
Hmm.
changed 4. I multiplied 4 times 7. That would be 28.
So 3 minus 6y plus 28y upon 7 is equals to 15. Like this.
Yes.
Then it will become
Then I subtracted
like,
6y and 28y.
yeah, it will become 105. Then 3 minus 22y is equals to 105. Minus 22y is equals to 105 minus 3. Minus 22y is equals to 102. So y is equals to 102 by 22 in minus. When you will solve it, you will get the answer.
51 by 11, right?
Yeah, 51 by 11.
Yeah, that's the exact answer I got.
Sir, but basically, for instead of dividing by 7, you can use like dividing by 2 itself. Like, because, like, you can say that 2y is equal to 1 minus 7x, and y is equal to 1 minus 7x by 2. Can also
Y is equals to 1
1
minus.
minus 7x by 2.
Yeah, you can do that also. No problem. So even you can substitute x or you can substitute y.
Like, any variable you can substitute both x and y.
Yes, no problem in that.
So, like,
So for Agatha, I didn't give marks in her mark sheet because I don't know what chapter she did. I just checked it. So you did that special products and factorization, that 857 into 857, that is totally wrong because it should be done with the help of the identity. If
Yeah,
identity, you have to
I
do it. You
understood that.
can't cut it.
I understood.
Huh?
I
Yeah. And for Ira, I will check your answer sheet this week, Ira and Jeshron. I will complete my science also, science answer sheet also this week.
today, or
Not today, this week means weekend.
So the 28 question second answers were all right or wrong.
If it is this, then it is correct.
I got 51 by 11, then I substituted to the third equation. That's 1 minus 2 times 51 by 11 by 7.
Hmm.
Then I got 101 by 77.
You just substitute into this 51 by 11
Yeah.
by 7. So it will become 1 minus 102 by 11 by 7. So x is equals to 11 minus 102 by 11 upon 7. X is equals to minus 91 by 77. This is the answer.
wait, how? Wait, how one minus 91 by 77?
Then what is the answer?
Wait, what did I do in this question?
I don't know. I didn't remember that. So if Agatha got this, then it is correct. If she didn't get it, then maybe wrong. You got the same?
Not really. I got 101 by 77.
How 101?
Instead of multiple, okay, so I'm in the step x equals 1 minus 102 by 11 by 7. I just, no, yeah, I just multiplied 11 and 7, so I got 77. So I
But
got
for
1
that,
minus 102 by 77.
yeah, but the 7 is the like denominator of 1 also, na? So that also we multiply. So instead of that, I used to tell to my students, when you're solving these types of fractions, first make the denominator of a numerator should be same. Like this is become 102 by 11. Now I take a LCM of 11. So it will become 11 upon 11. Then I subtract it. So become 11 minus 102 is minus 91. Minus 91 by 77.
Okay, I can see.
Okay. Okay, so we'll do this question now. The base radius and height. The base radius and height of a circular cone is 7 centimeter and 24 centimeters. So guys, you have to make the diagram. If you are not making diagram, then you are losing marks. Like if you will draw a diagram and your answer is wrong, still you will get a marks because the diagram is made perfectly. So the base is 7 centimeter and the height is 24 centimeter. Now we have to find CSA, TSA and volume. Try to do it. Guys, try to do it by your own. Are you with me? No, David. What happened?
I'm doing it.
Okay. David, what happened? What are you thinking, David?
I think so.
Okay. Miracle, are you doing this? Turn on the camera, please. कुछ नहीं खाना.
1/3 pi r square.
कॉफी आज
बना हूँ लेकिन मैंने कहा
नहीं सही है कॉफी.
कॉफी बनाई मैंने
हम्म
कॉफी बनाई मैं शक्कर डाल दिया फिर मीठा होता है
हाँ मीठा मीठा होता है फीका भी होता है कड़वा भी होता है सब होता है.
Sir,
जिसको यस मिरेकल.
yeah, I'm confused how to find the L, the slant,
L
the
part.
slanting line. Yeah.
So first of all, for finding L, what is the H?
H is 24 centimeter.
24 centimeter. Perfect. And what is R?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter.
काम नहीं है
Okay. And what is what is the formula for L? Root of H square plus R
R
square.
square. Yeah.
Okay. Now what you will put the value of H as 24 plus R, which is 7. So what is the square of 24? Tell me, Miracle. Square of 24 means you have to multiply 24 into 24. Try it, multiply it and tell me.
Yeah. 576.
Very good. 576 plus 77 square.
49.
Very good. Now what you have to do? You have to add it. So what is the
Add
answer
it.
of that?
Mm,
576 plus 49. What is the answer?
$625.
Very good. Now what you have to do? You have to find the square root of 625. How will you find it out? Yes, prime factorization. Do it. And tell me the pairs. Yeah. Yes.
I found out all three.
Very good. Don't tell, but don't tell.
Should I type in the chat box?
Yeah, you can type in the chat box. One thing, guys, I want to give this good news. The good news is Jashron brother, Jehoan, he got 84.3 percentage in an iOS 10th exam. So can we clap for each other that he got good marks? So he learned from us only, science and maths. The second good news is Hannah. She read. I guess Hannah. Nobody knows Hannah in this class. I guess she's in Mumbai, Thane. So she got 92 out of 100 in NIS exam in maths. So she read maths from us. So she got 92 out of 100. So we'll give one again clap for Hannah. So this is very good marks they got. So our NXT is like that only. So like many students get good marks. If you will be with me doing homework regularly, doing questions regularly, you will get good marks. Okay, so Miracle, you got it? David, you got the answer?
No, sir. I'm doing TSA.
Quickly do it, beta. Miracle, turn on the camera. Why you turn off your camera? Yes.
The answer for CSA would be
I got all.
Yeah, it seems to like correct. Let me check. Okay, okay, and okay. Perfect. Edric. Perfecto.
Perfecto.
I
Perfecto.
got
Sir, two pairs of 5, sir.
Two pairs of 5. So what is the answer of this? Like you got 5, 4 times 5, na? And from that you get 2 pairs, and from this 1 5 will come out. What is the answer then?
25.
Yes, you got the L. I never taught you.
David,
You only give me the answer. Yes, David.
so I got 110 for CSA.
110 for CSA?
Yes.
No. Okay, I will solve this. But before that, I request Miracle to turn on camera, please. Okay, CSA formula is pi r L. So pi is 22 by 7. What is radius, David?
7.
7. And what is L? Just now we got as 25.
25.
7 ones are 7 ones are. So 22 into 25. So basically, this is my trick. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. I am just telling my trick. See, what I used to do, I know 22. 22 can be written as 2 into 11.
So I got
Yes.
answer.
Yeah, so 2 into 11, what I used to do, and now I will multiply 2 into 25 is 50 into 11, which will become 11 5s are 550. So the answer is 550 centimeters. So this is my trick to multiply it easily.
So is this CSA or TSA?
It's CSA beta. Curved surface area. Edric, you got it beta? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, Agatha.
TSA is 4 by RL.
Hmm.
Okay.
Ira, why you didn't get it beta? No, sir, I got it.
I got CSA. Now I'm doing TSA.
Ah, okay, perfect. So we have National Horse Rider.
What?
Ira.
Ira's a horse rider?
Yeah.
Then how come I saying
She-
national horse rider?
Yeah, national. She went national. Yes,
Come
Ira, you went national, no?
Yes, sir.
So what happened to you, Ira? What happened to you? Why national?
What?
Huh?
Nothing happened to me.
Then why did you national then? Why national?
Because I'm a nationalist in the sport.
That is good answer. No, basically,
Basically
Huh?
what? Basically what?
he's
Go
asking.
up and down.
What did you say?
Ira, can you make your horse go up and down? I mean, wherever you want it to go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So she put name also, na? What is the name of horse? You told me before.
No, there are different horses. There's
No, but your personal like horse name.
I have a personal horse right now.
Yeah. So what's the name?
I don't have a personal horse.
Oh, you don't have. But that
Wait,
is very good.
How did Ira get into national horse rider?
I mean, she is good, no? She got training and then she learned and then she compete and she went national. She. So in horse riding, this competition, what are the like what are the rules to qualify and to like what type of competition is this? Like you have to race. It's a horse racing type.
Horse racing is really easy. People think it's hard, but it's very easy. And it's also
Horse is racing.
No, I don't do horse racing. I do dressage and show jumping. That's like you make the horse jump over hurdles and you
Hmm.
get timed at how many hurdles you can do at once. And dressage is you make the horse like it's like ballet, but it's way harder than any other sport, like riding sport.
Yeah,
Okay,
like
okay.
I've seen that thing and the spirit, I told you na, the that series I've seen in that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I also love to see the horse riding these things.
Wow.
Horse riding, like is horse riding hard or is or
Yeah, it's really hard.
yeah, because like saddle and all will be there.
So there's a movie, like Bollywood movie. So in that, the hero, it's a fake shooting. So in that fake shooting, the gunda, he's a gunda. So the gunda has to, like, director is the superior. So that gunda become inferior in front of director. So because he has passion for the shooting, the gunda has a passion for shooting. So that gunda sit on the horse, and director say and action. So they has to run to some place with the horse, with the group of people. Okay, so now that Gunda is saying action, and he's running, and then he's saying the horse is not listening to me. He's running again and again, again, and again.
So I
He's
think
not
I've seen
stopping.
this movie. I've seen
Yeah,
this movie.
it's so
I tell you
funny.
a fun fact about horses, okay?
I'll decide if it's true or not.
Like you know what? The horses kick. When it kicks you, it is very, very powerful.
Yeah.
I have heard like horses walk on tippy-toe. I mean, something like in the end of their toes, something. They don't have a hind foot or something. No, heard something.
I have a
And
hand.
and also there is a magnet named after a horse. It's called the horseshoe magnet. The shape of the magnet is named after a horse's shoe.
So it is true that they never sit,
They do
or they
sit.
sit. They do sit.
I've seen them sleep on the floor, but they just stand and sleep sometimes. Sometimes they decide they want to sit down. Depends.
Because I guess it's very rare, and it's also myth maybe that they never sleep. If they sleep by sitting, so it means that they are in their end days. It's a myth. I don't
They
know.
sleep, they usually stand and sleep. Daytime, you won't see them sitting at all. At night, you'll see.
Oh, okay. Okay, Ira, put this in the group,
So,
please.
sir, can you do the TSA part in the pro?
Yeah. So, what problem you're facing in TSA? Just tell me.
Like, yeah, I put all the numbers according to the values, but uh, the-
What?
yeah, I'm having trouble solving.
So, what you put? Tell me.
Yeah, the whole thing like not 25. I think. Oh, okay, 25. Yeah, yeah.
The L is 25, no? Okay, guys. So now you guys have 2 minutes break. Then come back. We will have a science class. Till then, I will solve this. Miracle, you want to solve me, or now you got it?
Yeah, I want to solve it. Solve. Actually, my guess was correct.
Correct.
Yeah.
What is H? 24, no? This is the answer.
The problem is I know all the things, but I'm afraid like if the answer is correct or not, like that.
See, I am telling you this thing, okay? Whenever you have problem, try to recheck it, okay? And don't doubt on yourself. It is a trick. See, if you will, like for example, your last answer is wrong, okay? So you will get answer like out of 4, you will get 3.5. Means half marks only you will cut. If you will leave the question, then you will lose all 4 marks. So don't have doubt. Whatever you're doing, just do it. And if you will get wrong, it's okay. You will correct it because this is a practice time. No, it's not
Yeah,
a proper test. So even if you will get wrong, okay, don't doubt it. And if you will get wrong, then check it because the answer is also there in the book. So you can check from the book. And if you're not
yeah.
getting correct answer, then try it one more time. Check where you did wrong. Don't have doubt
Yeah.
on yourself, okay? You can do
Okay,
it.
sir.
Everyone can do it. Now come in 1 minute. I'm also coming in 1 minute. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Now, tomorrow, I will start my class on time. Now I'm seeing that we are starting by 10:15, 10:18. So tomorrow we'll start our class by time.
Which
Okay?
class, sir?
Like our class, I'm observing that like previous week also we started by 10:50.
Yeah.
And this week also, like today also we started by 10:17.
बनाए हो तो लग रहा है
You want to start by
I
10?
am, yeah, not 10. I mean on time, 10:10. So what chapter you were doing? We were doing chapter number 24, I guess.
Yeah. I
Yes,
think-
I am correct.
And we're almost done with the chapter.
No, 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 no.
This one.
Now we will learn about male reproductive organ. So guys, male reproductive organ. Everyone turn on a camera, please. Are you there? Turn on a camera. Ira, David, Miraculin, everyone, please. Okay. So male reproductive organ. Okay, it has testes, which releases the sperm, and through sperm will travel through this. What is the name? God, we started from V. Vesicle. My God, I forgot the name. Vasa differencer. Sorry. Where is that?
Yeah, well.
Yeah. So the sperm will travel from like testis will create the sperm. The sperm will travel through the vasa differentia and through the urethra. Then we have this prostrate gland. That prostrate gland is responsible for making nutrition for the sperm because sperm has to travel a lot. So this prostrate gland creates semen. That semen is having the nutrition for the sperm so that the sperm can travel. Because for sperm to live, they need nutrition. The nutrition is provided by the prostrate gland. Okay, so testis, which created the sperm, through seminal vesicle, it will travel through the prostrate gland. When they reach prostrate gland, the semen releases. The prostrate gland releases the semen, and through this, it will come out from the penis. This is the male reproductive organ. Okay, so in male reproductive organ, we have pair of testes, two sperm ducts, vasa differentia. What is the use of testis? Generate sperm. Vasa differentia, it is basically a passage from testis to the ejaculatory duct. Now, what is ejaculatory duct? This is ejaculatory duct. This is ejaculatory duct. Okay. Yes or no? Now, one ejaculatory duct is common duct for passage for urine and sperm, and then penis. This is a muscular organ which helps to transfer the sperm in the female body. Now, this is female reproductive system. Now, in the female reproductive system, it has ovary. Ovary has egg cell. Okay, thousands of egg cells. On maturation, it will ovulate. Ovulate means release of egg. Okay, don't take the word like don't. It is not complicated word. It's a release of egg. Is also called as ovulation. Okay, so the egg will release like here. Now, where this is vagina, and the sperm will travel through cervix into the uterus, and it will go towards the fallopian tube. Okay, it will go towards the fallopian tube. So some of the sperm will go to this fallopian tube, some of the sperm will go to this fallopian tube. So it means that the sperm has to travel a lot in the female body to fertilize the egg. Now, ovulation doesn't mean that only the egg will come from left ovary or the right ovary. It can come anywhere. Okay, and sometimes it happens that both the ovary releases the egg, means in one menstruation cycle, two eggs are released. So there are two types of twins are there. Okay, we'll learn about this. There are two types of twins are there. First is monozygotic twin, and the second one is dizygotic twins. This is how it will happen. So, do you know twins that have same face and both are either male or either female?
Yeah.
Okay, so for us, like for outsiders, we are not able to recognize who is Riddhi, who is Siddhi. Like in my class, there is one like two girls are there, Riddhi, Siddhi. They both are sister, and they both are sister, Riddhi and Siddhi. So when I like in initial days when I called Riddhi, but basically she was Siddhi. When I called Siddhi, she's basically Riddhi. Then we used to tell Riddhi Siddhi square, so both will listen so that just like I want copy from them. So I used to call them. So basically they are called as monozygotic twins. So basically what happened? What is monozygotic twins? So in monozygotic twins. So the monozygotic twins is a situation in which the fertilization happened. the zygote is formed. One zygote is formed. Okay, with the help, like, the sperm travels and it fuses the ova, and with this stage a two cell stage is formed, which is called as zygote. Everyone understood? Yes or no? Now this zygote will divide, okay, like this. Like inside this zygote will divide like this, and then it will form an embryo, and that embryo will implant in the uterus. This is the normal situation. Now what happened when the intercellular division, this is called as intercellular division because the division happens in the cell. Everyone please pay attention and turn on your camera. What I'm trying to say, that intercellular division means the division that occurs in the cell. So that intercellular division which happen into this in monozygotic twins, what happened, the cell sometimes accidentally, that intercellular division takes extracellular division also, like this. Means basically the cell will divide from inside only and more cells will form, but because of some accidents, this will create two embryo like this. Now they both have same sperm and same ova. So because they both have same sperm and same ova, they are very, very similar to each other. They have same gender, either male or either female. So if two twins having the same gender, like both are male or both are female, if they have like this,
Sir,
yeah, yeah.
but how did embryo anyway separate like that? Separate like two lives in one egg. I mean one ova.
Sorry.
How did two lives come in one ova and one sperm?
How did? Say it again.
How did two lives come in one ova and one sperm?
This thing you're saying. This thing.
Yeah.
Now, basically, the zygote is formed, and after the zygote, the cell will divide intercellularly. Like inside this, every cell will divide like this. Okay, this is the normal process. While dividing, what happened accidentally, that this should the cell should divide in the cell, but accidentally the external division happen and two cells arises from it. And because two cells arises from it, these two cells will divide again and again, they will divide, and when they will divide, they both will implant in the uterus. They both will implant in the uterus like this. So basically the same sperm and the same ova which form zygote, which form embryo, which form these two cells, embryo. So because of that, they both will have same gender. So if if the male and male, they are twins having similar characters, they are called as monozygotic twins. What they are called as monozygotic twins. Now, what is dizygotic twins? This is also twins. So, dizygotic twins, they have every time they have different gender. Like not every time, they may be different gender, maybe same gender, but okay. But if they have different gender, it means they are always dizygotic twins. Okay, how it is possible? See, in this case, one ova is released by this ovary. One ova is released by this ovary and one ova is released by this ovary. Okay, now this came to this side and this also came to this side. Now sperm came, and that sperm travel and it fertilizes this ova with this sperm, and one sperm fertilizes with this ova with this sperm. Now both zygote is formed, and both zygote is implant in the uterus. So both now they have similar things, but you can identify it. You can rectify it. Okay, this is Karan and this is Arjun. Why? Because they both have different characters. But in monozygotic twins, like the outsider, first time the outsider will not able to rectify that who is Siddhi, who is Siddhi. Why? Because they both are very similar. They are arises from same zygote. But here two zygote is formed. That's why it is called as dizygotic twins.
Wait, so for dizygotic twins, you said like the gender, it can be the same or it has to be like
It's different. It can be different. It can be same.
for both of them it can be different or it can be same.
So
No, for monozygotic twins, it should be same gender. If it is different than gender, they are not monozygotic twins.
Okay.
Because monozygotic twins are arises from same zygote. No, like one zygote, it creates two embryos and two babies. So they will have same gender. Either they are male or either they are female. But dizygotic twins can be male, female, and can be male or female, female. Okay, but in dizygotic twins they have difference, like lot of difference as compared to monozygotic twins, like the face and the eyes, they will have difference. Yes, Agatha. Yes, Ira.
How old were your students, Riddhi and Siddhi?
When I was in my 5th class, they are not they are my friends.
Were named Riddhi and Siddhi also. That's why.
Yeah, no. When I was in my 5th class, then they was there.
Okay.
So because I was kid and I was just used to say Riddhi, then Siddhi used to say, "Oh, here I am. Where you see?" So I used to say like Riddhi is sitting here and Siddhi is sitting here. So I used to say Siddhi, then Siddhi was there. So for sometimes my students thought, like my friend thought that I am blind because I am saying towards Riddhi and saying to name Siddhi. So it's like that. Okay, so this is the two types of twins are there, monozygotic and dizygotic. David and Miracle, did you understand beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so everyone please pay attention. Now the fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube. Remember this. If the fertilization happen this place, then the baby is healthy. If the fertilization happen this here, then the baby is very weak. Why very weak? Because zygote is not implant in the uterus. Zygote is not implant in the uterus. Implantation happen when it is become a blastocele, and the blastocele is the 16 cell stage. We will learn this when it is a blastocele and it is 16 cell stage. So if fertilization happen here, then what will happen, that the 16 cell stage will not be there, but it will implant. So the baby will maybe the weak.
Like
Best-
what birth complications will be there?
Huh?
Like what birth complications, like what things will the baby be born with?
No, the baby will be like it's not like it can be happen miscarriage also, because the zygote is not fully prepared for the implantation. The time went and the egg, the zygote which is formed, it comes out with the period, because period is that if something is not implant, then the uterine wall will degrade. So on 14th day, I told you uterine wall is the healthy. Like healthy means it is ready to get the baby. Now, if the egg is travel till here, it means that it is not on 14th day. It is maybe on 20-25 day. So 20-25 day, the uterine wall will shrink and it will break. So it means that it can lead to miscarriage also. Means the fertilization happened, but the zygote is not implanted, and the baby will come out. Not baby will come out. The blood will come out. Got it? So on 14th day, on the day of ovulation, the uterine wall is very healthy, so that the implantation can happen easily. So it's like 14 to 18 days, I can guess, which is the best for the implant, like for the fertilization, so that implantation can happen good. So in the old age, they have this calculation that when female having period, on the day of 14, they do for the fertilization, so that the baby can be healthy. So it's just a methodological, like because in the previous time there is no barrier. Okay, so if they do copulation on the first 7 days and the last 7 days, like 1 to 7 day, and the last 24 to 28 days, like this. So they will have less chances for the baby. So this is like they have barrier. We will learn all this thing. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So organs, a pair of ovaries, they produces over. खाना बन गया? मम्मी को बोल दो ना, फिर खत्म करो. राहुल सभी चले गए, खाना बनाने करेगा. हाँ तो उनको बोल दो मम्मी को. Pair of ovaries, they produces ova. Pair of fallopian tubes, as they are also called as oviduct, because they releases ova, and ova will travel from this. Uterus, this is uterus where the baby is implant. Cervix is the where the opening of uterus, and vagina, it's a female opening. Got it, guys? Yes or no? So now fertilization. So fertilization happen when male sperm fertilizes the female ova. So from this is the fertilization happen. The zygote is formed, which is 2 cell stage. Okay, now everyone please pay attention. This is the balls of cells. As I told you, the cells will divide internally. Okay, and then it will implant, and then the baby is there in the uterus. Did you understand, guys? Any problem in this? Miracle? Do you have any problem, beta? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, Edric. What is the problem?
I don't know why I said yes.
Why? Okay, so now in the case of fertilization doesn't occur, the egg will degenerate the thickened wall of uterus with capillary breakdown, leading to the bleeding and menstrual flow. In human female, menstruation occurs on every 28 to 30 days. The embryo is now called fetus, to develop full-fledged 280 days inside the uterus, and is born under the influence of hormone of posterior pituitary called oxytocin. Yes, when baby is full mature and baby want to come to this world, then ovary is the initiation point. The ovary will release one hormone called as oxytocin. That oxytocin hormone will go to the brain, which is the indication that now the baby should be delivered. Then the brain will say, okay, release more oxytocin hormone. Then when one hormone of oxytocin will go to the brain will say more oxytocin hormone should be released. And if more oxytocin hormone should be released, then it means that the mama will have a pain, the labor pain. And that labor pain will help body to push, and because of that push, the baby will come out. This is all process of delivery. Okay, did you understand, guys? No. Yes or no, guys? David.
Give it a Gata.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now human population. So as we know that the human population in India, we are on the first place, because the human population is increasing exponentially. Exponentially means the reproduction is what? Like if I am the human being, then it should be one of my own kind should be replace me. But if a person reproduce a cricket team, okay, then the population will increase exponentially. Cricket team means player of 12.
11.
Like in the
11.
old times, it is like they are just we know Akshay Kumar releases his movie every month or every 2 or 3 months. Okay, but in the previous time, every month, new baby is coming up. This is a joke, but it's reality also. That like my mama, mama means maternal uncle. So the eldest maternal uncle is elder than my grandfather, like the smallest grandfather. Like my great grandfather has 5 sons, I guess. The smallest one, the youngest one, is smaller than my maternal uncle. Do you know? Are you getting this? No.
I can relate to this. I know a family in which the aunt is younger than the nephew.
Yeah. So this happened. So it was right now we are taking it as a shame, but in the previous time it was there. Both the mother and mother's daughter-in-law, they both are pregnant on the same time, and they used to deliver like that. So it was like that. So because of that, human population is increases. Okay, so like what is the family size? We have to decide it. The family size should be 2 or 3. Okay, not more than that. If you are just doing like that, it will create, because the human population will increase exponentially. Because of that, many more problem will come. So how to stop it? So we have different barrier methods like condoms or diaphragm in female. Okay, it's a physical barrier so that the sperm will not travel in the female body, and if the sperm will not travel in the female body, the egg will not fertilize, hence the baby will not form. Okay, so IUCD, which is called as intrauterine contraceptive device, which is also called as copper T, is inside the female body. Okay, so that the copper T is responsible for the slow movement of sperm. So the sperm will move slowly, hence it will not reach to the egg, and the fertilization will not happen. Okay, oral contraceptive pills means they take pills to kill the sperm in the uterus. Okay, so fertilization will not happen. Vasectomy, this is the temporary method, but the permanent method is vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy means I told you what is vasectomy. So, for example, this they will cut this thing and they will tie in the opposite direction. So the testis which creates sperm, it will not travel to the and it will not come out. Did you understand? Yes or no? In the same way, tubectomy. In tubectomy, this fallopian tube is cut. This fallopian tube will cut and tie in the opposite direction, so that the ova will not release.
And also menstruation will also stop, right?
Menstruation will not stop, because menstruation is the bleeding, but in that menstruation, ova will not come out. Okay, the ova will absorb in the ovary or in the fallopian tube, but the uterine wall will break, because uterine wall is formed, no? But uterine wall will break, okay, and that uterine wall will come out from the during the menstruation cycle, but the ova will not come out from the female body. Got it, guys? Now tomorrow we'll do the STDs and we will start the new. मेरा जूता है भैया, गरम भी है बहुत.
ठीक है
हाँ,
ये मूड बुखार से शुरू हो
मेरा पी लो पर
ये बेटा
जूता
तो
पी लो
आपका-
पर गरम है. Okay, so tomorrow we'll do the STDs. And STDs is sexually transmitted disease and HIV/AIDS. Tomorrow we'll do it and tomorrow we'll complete this chapter. Do you have any problem, guys?
No, sir.
No? Then we'll stop this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye.